Hello and welcome to Soul Tarot by Nehal. This is going to be a general reading for the month of April 2025 for the zodiac sign Libra. Please remember this is a general reading and it may or may not resonate with you. So only take what resonates. And all the other important links that you would want to check out are down in the description below. So kindly do go check them out there. So thank you so much and let's begin. Okay, so it seems that you are sowing something in your personal and professional life as well. So, whatever, there could be some of you who could get new opportunities in this duration, or you may get an opportunity to learn something as well, which will help you moving forward in your work life. It could even be that you may be getting into a new relationship. So, all in all, in many different directions, it could be that you're sowing your seeds in many, many different ways. It could definitely be in the form of, even your internal work itself. So if you have been someone who's working on own self, the internal self, healing something, so this is like, this is going to be a month where you're going to sow those seeds very strongly. Some of you who were, maybe waiting for getting onto a healing journey for yourself of some kind, that is what also you are walking on the path of that sort now. So yes, you are basically sowing seeds even on your healing journey in terms of your internal well-being, your physical well-being, your mental well-being. So some of you could even choose to start working out. Some of you may start taking, journaling and whatever would be good for your emotional and mental health seriously. You could some of you could even start a spiritual journey. So yes, that is what I see. But yes, whatever you're going to sow in the entire month of April, you're going to bear the fruits of it multifold with time. Slowly, gradually, it will keep growing. Now, slowly, gradually is generally it's very slow. This I don't think it's going to be slow. Like you will see the progress every 2-3 days. That okay, now it's getting better. Now a lot of time people say, how do we measure the progress? So in some cases, of course, you see that you're going through the same situation, but this time you're dealing with it differently. The moment that happens, you are going to have that shift. It means you've worked on yourself, so you're seeing the results of all the work that you've put. So that's how in this one aspect, so will you see the progress in other aspects as well. Let's dive deeper and see what are the other messages coming for you for the month of April 2025. Yes. So, like I said, Libra, this is a very, very beautiful period for certain new beginnings. Some of you who are looking forward to conceive, yes, chances are that you may conceive. If some of you were trying to conceive for really long, but there has been some or the other issue, and you're looking forward to the right kind of guidance so that things may fall as you want. So you'll make get that right guidance could come your way. Growth is what I see. One phase is coming to an end and a new phase is beginning for you in many ways. Um Now, this is a very interesting thing that again has come this time, especially for female Libras. I think that, now again, not just female Libras, but if you're a Libran and, your partner, like you're a Libran male, but it can go for your partner as well, that, they may be a little more in terms of, they may be also having new beginnings. So, you can even do is you can check out their whatever their zodiac sign is. As per that, you can check out my other readings as well, so maybe you'll be able to correlate as well. So yes, but you will see that even your partner is flourishing. So that I see for them. If you have, like, irrespective now, If you are a Libra, in any case, whether male, irrespective of the gender, your partner, in terms of if you are a male Libra and your partner, otherwise you're a Libra in itself, I think that, a lot of you are going to all of a sudden see that they have started focusing on, taking care of themselves a little more. So, yes, if you're a male Libra, then whoever your partner is, and otherwise all the female Librans, yes, I see you, focusing especially on your skin routines. You all are going to take additional care of your skin. You're going to glow. It seems even growth is what is adding the glow to your, face. So, that is what I see. For some of them, I really feel, now this is entirely only for Librans, that some of you are actually really now falling in love also more uh, deeply, maybe with the person if you're already with someone. And for some, it could be that, you all are falling, for someone. Now, please remember, this is a general reading, so it doesn't need to be the same for everyone. We'll see what are the all the other messages coming. Having said that, a lot of you are very focused on financial growth, and you're going to experience that. You are definitely experiencing financial growth, especially if you have been specially focusing on that. So that is what I see. And you may even see a stagnant growth, like in the sense you will keep growing for a certain period of time, especially in terms of your financial growth. Work wise, I would say that if you have any ideas, any special concepts or something, don't hesitate to voice them. You may even have, especially in your work life, you may have a little strong intuitions also on certain things. Again, you could even become someone in your work, like especially in your office, if there is too much of chaos or anything, you will be the one who will be handling everything and calming everyone down and getting things sorted. Especially the aggressive ones, you'll be like, okay, calming them down with all your knowledge and the energy that you carry within yourself, the calming energy that you have. So that is what you will be doing. You will be definitely a good balance for everyone right now around you. If you have something, again, don't hesitate in your work life to voice your opinions or voice your ideas. It's going to be really really helpful, because that will help you to show that what a beautiful leader also you could be. So maybe it will even display your strength, it may even display your leadership skills. So do not hesitate. If there were certain things that were going against you in terms of work, or there was any confusion, so clarity is coming in. And if things were going against you, you will learn to navigate. I won't say things will go in your favor, but I will say that you will rather find a solution and be able to do what you want to do, even if things were not going in your favor. So eventual result is going to be in your favor. Yes, so in terms of your finance, you are surely making some important decisions when it comes to your finances. You are going to be on a crossroad where you may have to pick and choose something, or you may have to decide something. Only thing I'll tell you is, do not let emotions overpower you. Be practical where need be. See things for the way they are. Don't hesitate if you want to. Like sometimes our someone from the relative, they give us some idea or something, and we hesitate to ask for clear documents around it or something like that. Don't hesitate, just politely ask for it, because you need to create a good balance in every way into your life, especially in your finance. So it is, if your finance is already good, then I think you will have to make sure that you're maintaining the balance of it. And you are in middle of taking certain some important decisions when it comes to your finances. So yes, do not hesitate in asking anyone if need be. You Because this decision is going to you can say kind of kickstart and give you a new start to something, maybe it could be passive income or something like that. But again, that is what it's a fine it's a important decision that you're making and would affect your life at some point. So yes, that is why make sure you are taking whatever necessary information and then making your move. Okay. So, in terms of your love, romance, and relationships, let's talk about people who are single first. So, people who are single, maybe you were juggling and making certain decisions, or maybe you are trying to juggle and take a decision between two people, that which one is a better, prospect for you, like with whom you would rather gel well and have a good life, and both of you will have good life. So you're trying to maybe understand and make, maybe due to that you have a little bit of emotional turmoil also. The emotions may be going high and low time and again, because you're very maybe anxious to take the decision. That is the reason, but you're making the decision for sure. For some of you, again not everyone, but some of you, either it could be a Leo sign or a Gemini, but again not a compulsion though. So that could be a possibility. But yes, if you are looking forward to build something with someone, this is a beautiful time to take your decision and move forward with things. So yes, or maybe some of you have already thought about who it is. It's just a matter of that you communicate to that person and let the other person know that, okay, they are not looking forward to that relationship anymore. Whatever it is, a clear communication is recommended here. And make your decision, make the clear communication, and move forward in life. Because yes, here it is a time for you to get into something where you can build something together. uh, or the other thing, and yes, this is what you should even keep in mind when you're making your choices. Coming to people who are already committed, that is either you're already dating or engaged or married. Yes, you all are also making some strong decisions, but yeah, this is a beautiful decision, because both of you and your partner are in sync with the decision. It's not that one of you is going north and one of you is going south. No, you guys are coming to a common grounds in every way. You're being of support to each other and building things. So yes, if at all you're looking forward to take next phase of your relationship, take your relationship into the next phase, this is a beautiful time. Yes, chances are really high that you may do it. Some of you may even maybe some of you, again this is going to be for very selective of you, that some of you may even think of starting a business together. So that could be a possibility as well. So yes, more on love readings in my specific love readings that I'll be uploading soon for the month of April 2025. I have started them recently and I upload monthly love readings. So yes, do like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on those readings, as I keep putting them up. So I put general readings, then I put love readings, which is entirely just about love, and I put other every 15 days some readings, so that also happens. So don't miss out on all those things, just subscribe to the channel. Again, yes, there is a forward movement. So if there is stagnancy, you're going to see a forward movement, some movement happening in your life. Again, forward movement, okay, it's a positive thing. You may be making your decisions. Some of you, remember that decisions lie in your access, so you may not have to go too far to understand what it is, or you may not have to go to 10,000 people to ask anything. Oh, that was an over exaggerated number, but yes. So maybe, and for some of you, the answers lie within you itself. So keep your calm and take your decisions. Do not hurry, but the decisions are definitely that you're making. There is something that you want to move forward with, and you have been thinking of a lot. It could be an idea, it could be maybe, again like I said, it could be someone, some partner, some friendship, something, but you are entering into a new phase. So there is a forward movement. One phase is coming to an end, a new phase is also beginning with that. So that is a very strong message that is coming over here. And irrespective, you're entering a new phase, and the phase is going to bring a lot of growth. uh, yes, it could even bring financial growth, but there is abundance and prosperity that's definitely here coming your way. Like I said, whatever you're going to sow in this time, you're going to bear the fruits of it. Don't let your past hold you back. So yes, if that is what is something that's holding you back, now again, this doesn't always have to come into the romantic life, it can come in any form. So don't let your past hold you back in any way. If at all it is in terms of any kind of events which may not have been very good, not so pleasant, it's time for you to release those and move forward, so that you can experience the better things in life, more beautiful things in life that you very well deserve. So make sure that you're letting the past go, don't hold it. And I recommend cord cutting. If you really know how to do on your own, great. If not, take help of some healer or some therapist. Professional helps are always advised. I always tell people in my personal reading, especially, I always keep recommending people to go to professionals. Do not shy away, they really help you beautifully. And trust me, I have not had a single person who said that, oh, it was just useless. No, it has always helped. So I'm a staunch believer of going for any kind of professional healings. Again, through it may be through counseling, therapists, whatever you're comfortable with, but go ahead. Yeah, and they can help you in any aspect. So that is what I would say. Cord cutting is another thing that you should practice. I think once you will release yourself from your past things, it could be you feel some of the things are your past mistakes, move forward from them as well. Relationships, I'm attracted to those people who serve my higher good. So yes, again, in this case, it could be again professional relationships and personal as well. This is actually, I would say, even a formation that you could use to get into that space of attracting these kind of relations into your life, and even getting into the space of receiving these things. Patience. Be patient and allow destiny to unfold at its own pace. So yes, destiny is definitely going to be unfolding. You do your bit, and like I said, do your bit. Release your past, attract the relationships that you want, sow the seeds of what you want in your life, and then be patient and let universe do the work for you. You just keep doing your thing. You keep doing your karma, and you will with time bear the fruits of it. Hard work is always hard work, genuine work is always rewarded. That never goes waste. The dark. Take a moment to sit under the star speckled sky, listening to crickets and breathing in the cool night air. So yes, take time out for yourself is what rather I would say in this particular message. Okay. Sorry, the cards were just falling out of my hand. So yes, give yourself that time, give yourself that space to even enjoy your own presence at the same time, and that will also unfold a lot of things, things. Maybe sometimes it's nothing else, you need yourself. So maybe give yourself that time and space, and that may also give you a lot of answers for that matter. It will help you take decisions also. You were born original, don't die a copy. So yes, keep doing your thing. Do not get into trying to copy anyone. You have your own originality, and you are like capable of a lot of good things. So focus on yourself and trust and believe in yourself and stay original. I have all the qualities and strengths needed to fulfill my dreams. So yes, use these affirmations to attract the same and stay in that place of a certain kind of that receiving space. And yes, remind yourself that you have all the qualities. Again, that it's interesting, here it says that you were born original, don't die a copy, and here it says that I have all the qualities and strengths needed to fulfill my dreams. So yes, probably your dream has some original idea. So keep up to it, attract what you want, and again, use this affirmation to stay in a specific mindset. Everyone is worthy of empathy and compassion. Today I shall remember that we are all alike on the inside. I will spend more time loving and less time judging. So again, not just judging others, but don't even judge yourself is what I would say. So this is something that and everyone is worthy of empathy and compassion. But a lot of times these days I've seen a lot of people give empathy and compassion to others, but they don't have it towards themselves. So maybe it's even time for you to look at it that way. Like I said in the beginning, whatever you're going to sow in this duration, it's going to bear the fruits of it. You're going to bear the fruits of it. It's going to give you it's going to give you the returns. So choose wisely. So here comes your thing over here, that yes, again, here also you're cooking something, so you're building something, you're creating something, for that matter. You're not just sowing seeds of something, but you're even creating something. Again, if you're someone who comes from a creative background, who has a creative nudge, which some of you could have, you may be doing something in that field and you will see the results of it. So some of you again will have original ideas of creating something. So don't ignore those strong nudges or strong ideas that you come, try to execute them. Yes, I think even, and I really feel that some of you could even find solutions to something that you were looking forward to. With a brave heart, anything is possible, Atticus. So yes, remember that, just stay brave. Again, I had spoken about courage as well some time back. So yes, with a brave heart, anything is possible. The words completely explain itself. Once you start believing in yourself, your dreams take shape. That's called Martina Navratilova. Okay. Sorry if I'm pronouncing the name a little incorrect. But I mean, the name is Martina. So anywho, yes, once you start believing in yourself, your dreams take shape. Again, it talks about dreams again over here as well. So don't do focus on your dreams. Don't give up on them. Sorry. And don't stop believing in yourself. I am confident in my decisions. Yes, you are making some decisions, so don't forget and stay confident about it. Again, use these affirmations for your benefit for the month of April 2025 to stay in a specific mindset and in a specific kind of an energy field. Let's see what is the one empowering message that you get for the month of April 2025. Patterns. Be your own witness. Notice situations that are repeating themselves in your life. Release any beliefs about your past so that you can see the present more clearly. Very interestingly, sometime back they were against it was speaking about releasing. So don't hold your past, is what it was saying. Don't hold on to the past things. It's a beautiful time to release and sow new seeds also. And here it gives a confirmation that you can actually witness your certain patterns that may be happening in your life. If they are repeating, work on releasing those kind of beliefs and certain things. Again, each one of you will have different things to release, so figure out what it is and move forward from your past. One thing I would definitely say, it's time for you to release what you need to release and then start sowing what you want in your future. So yes, that is what I would say. Here it clearly says choose a new direction. So it's time for you to choose something new. It's time for you to make your choices differently, make new choices than what you've done. Again, it spoke about releasing certain patterns and releasing your past and all of it. So all in all, it goes in one direction, that yes, it's time for you to release certain things, sow new seeds, choose new direction, and move into a better future and the kind of future that you look forward to. So I hope you do resonate. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any suggestions, if you want to share something. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It will mean a lot. So it will even help me to grow and make more of these videos. And yes, thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.